What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to fix any FRP issue in Samsung A05 and how you can fix it. First we open UnlockTool or UnlockTool Pro, and then we click on Samsung tab and search for A05, and here we have to select the preloader mode and click on the factory reset and FRP. After that we just simply hold volume down and power button until it's reboot and detected the MediaTek port. And then we just wait until the process is finished. Here it is, and it's removes the FRP and erase the user data also. After that, if the phone reboots, we leave it, and if the phone is not rebooted, we hold the power button and volume down until the phone is booted, and we wait until the recovery mode is open or show. Now it's showing Samsung Galaxy. And guys, after we just see the factory reset, and we just click on the factory reset by volume down and power button. After that, the process is finished. The factory reset and FRP removing process is finished, and we wait until the phone boots completely. And guys, please, if this method works for you, please make sure you like the video and comment. And as you see, the phone is open. We click start and agree the terms and conditions. If we just click the escape and it works, the phone is completely unlocked. So it works. Thanks for watching.